Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to select multiple elements in your Canva design really quickly, for example to group them or to edit them all at once. So let us get started. Alright, so I've been working on an example design like this. So basically what you want to do is simply select the first element with your left mouse, and after that hold left shift on your keyboard and select the remaining elements with your left mouse, just like that. So let me select that one here and that title here as well, and add also that subscribe now notification here to the right too. So this is how you can select multiple elements. Now to group them, simply right click anywhere here on one of these elements and select group from that drop down menu, or alternately use the shortcut Ctrl G on your keyboard, just like that. Now you can move all of these elements at once by simply left clicking and holding them just like that, and for example edit them and customize them and apply changes to all of them as a whole. To ungroup them, simply select ungroup here at the top, and that's it. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you later.